Namaskar. Ashish Mittal again from Arson. Friends, I'm showing you a TV unit here. And with this, I like to discuss about the sizes, the concept of a TV unit, and some ideas also how you can decide on the design yourself. A lot of people keep waiting for the interior guys to confirm or to suggest them what should be right. I'm giving you the complete details here for this unit. Accordingly, you can decide what unit would be suitable for your space. First, we'll talk about the unit that we are looking at. This one is 5 feet left to right, 60 inches. The height of the platform from the ground is 2 feet. The total height, the upper part is 4.5 feet. So total height is 6.5 feet. This is in two parts, the base and the top part. The top part is joined with the base unit with the bars at the back. The depth of the unit is 20 inches. This area 20 inches. This is 24 inches high and 20 inches, 5 feet, total height 6.5 feet. White and gold highlighting, teak wood, and the final finish is high gloss, white and gold finish. Now this is about the unit. It has got two doors, one here, one on the other side, and this middle panel will get a glass on it, and two shelves for set-top box and any other device you want to keep here for that purpose. The designing part, you can see the heavy carving on the front, the leg area, on the doors. The carving is here, and similarly, the design on the top, that you can see, a nice design with the carving Taj on the top. Now we'll move on to the questions that are generally asked, and these are the FAQs that comes in mind when you decide for a TV unit. First thing, the area that you want or the size you want from left to right. For the left to right size, the most important thing first is the space you have. So if you have 4 feet area, 5 feet area, 6 feet area, accordingly the size is calculated what size you require. Now the TV area, see generally when you get a TV size on the boxes mentioned like 32 inches or 64 inches or 55 inches, whatever the size mentioned on the box, that size is diagonal. That corner to this corner. So it's not measured this way, it's measured this way. So this is the size that the TV guys provide you. What we need is the size length and the height. So the rectangular size we would need to check what size unit would suit the place. So if this is 48, then when we have a 5 feet unit, 48 would come in the middle. So we have 6 inches both sides left. Accordingly, the size is defined. तो अगर आपका टीवी का डायगोनल साइज जो टीवी के बॉक्स पर मेंशन है वो 55 इंचेस मेंशन है, तो वो साइज ऐसे होगा. हमें चाहिए रेक्टेंगुलर साइज, लेंथ और हाइट. उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपके टीवी की यूनिट का साइज डिसाइड किया जाता है कि क्या साइज की टीवी यूनिट आपको चाहिए. फ्रंट टू बैक साइज कैन बी लीनर or more depending on the requirement again what you want to keep on this. Generally the TV units are not very wide these days. Very lean and slim TV units are available that captures 6 inches of space. So when you have 6 inches of space on this one, a lot of area would be vacant outside, so that can be used for some decoration, some vases on both sides, that can be done. But generally with the TV you should not have anything because that distracts, these things distracts. So the TV should be an alone unit. TV आप अगर साइड में कोई ड्राइंग्स या डिजाइंस लगाते हैं तो डिस्ट्रैक्ट भी करता है, तो बेटर है टीवी के आसपास बहुत क्लोज कुछ ना हो. अब बात करते हैं इस डिजाइन की. इस डिजाइन में आपके पास दो ऑप्शंस हैं. या तो आप टीवी यहां पर रखें या आप टीवी इस पर हैंग करें. Either you can put it here or you can hang on the back shelf. If you are hanging on the back shelf, then again the size of this is important. So you can let us know and accordingly we'll make this size for you. So if you have 48 inches unit, it will come in the middle. So you'll have some space left on both sides. But if you have a bigger unit that may not fit in that space, so you can let us know the size and we'll make that accordingly. If you are keeping the unit on the platform here. The most important thing when you are watching a TV is the height of the television, the LED that you have. The appropriate height for a television is the eye level. I'll show you. Now here, if you are looking at me, I'm sitting on a sofa that's right across the TV unit. The height of this platform is generally 20 inches for a normal sofa, or 18 to 21 inches. The height varies in different units. It's not more than 21 inches in any case, unless you have a specially custom built sofa. Now, when I'm sitting here and I'm watching TV, the height of my eye level, I'm a normal 5'9" person, 5 feet 9 inches. The normal vision height is around 4 feet from the ground. So if I'm looking like this, then it's uncomfortable if the TV is higher, or if I'm looking down, then again that is not very comfortable. When I'm sitting in a relaxed position like this is my normal eye level. So 48 inches, 4 feet is the level of the TV that you can keep. Now 4 feet should be the center part of the TV, the center part, center position. That is the optimum and perfect eye level where you are comfortable, as well as it doesn't look odd also. So if we have a 24 inches high cabinet and we are placing a TV on this, the 4 feet height is optimum. This is a good height for a television unit. If you are hanging the TV on the wall, you can go for a lower height also, or a little higher unit. That depends on your requirement. So TV unit also works sometimes as a chest of drawers, because these days we do not have very bulky VCR kind of things. If you may have seen, we earlier have big VCRs and a lot of cassettes. These things are redundant now. So small chips and small USB dongles, these are small things that we have now, and a middle storage area is enough for these things. A set-top box, or a kind of uh, PlayStation, these kind units can fit in the small box here. The side units can work as storage area also. So you have a lot of space here. The colors part. Color is as per the theme of your place. So this one is going to Bangalore and the client wanted in white. So the white and gold theme. If you want something in wood finish, that can be done. You want some bright colors like gold and some other colors, that can be done. But if we talk about the interior parts, or the relaxing thing, when we are looking at a TV is a colored unit these days, not like the black and white we had earlier. And when we are watching TV, we focus on the TV only. If you have too bright colors on the sides of the TV, too bright means gold, or you have some pink or red, these kind of shades, they generally distract. So a subtle finish at the background is good. Just like this one, it has a very subtle background, white background, and polish also is similar. So if you go for polished colors or dark colors, they serve the purpose. This is all in all that would be required for a TV unit: the size, position, the height of the TV, and how you can design your own unit. Color parts you can select, design part you can select, size I've explained how the size works. So if you have any size you want to further ask any question, you can contact us, we'll explain that. Anywhere in India want, we can deliver that. This is going to Bangalore. Anywhere else you want, we can deliver it. Outside India also, we are delivering to most of the places. This is in two parts, the top part separate, bottom part separate, and can be easily assembled on site. You don't require a carpenter to assemble it. So nice work in teak wood, white paint, gold finish, and any design, any color you want, let us know, we can do that for you. Hope you like our work. Hope the information I provided would suffice to decide what kind of unit, how to go about it. Still, if you have any questions, any suggestions, any comments, please let us know. We would be happy to know that. Thank you so much.